Hey, 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 folks.
I don't know if I'ma see you again. Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever?
Ew, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Frekinruby, Ruby, whatever you know me as. That's me. That be me. That be me. So new year, new me. I got new color hair. I don't know if you can see it. It's like blue, teal, turquoise. You'll probably be able to see it when it's dried. Anyways, this is gonna be a get ready with me talk through, because like I never do these really, and well, I did it like once, I think. To be honest with you, I'm not wearing this out. I just needed something to wear because I don't know what I'm wearing tonight yet. I'm gonna be going out with friends later today, and we're just gonna hang out and everything. Dude, my Widow Peak game strong. But yeah, we're just gonna be going out, hanging out, doing whatever. I'll probably vlog, but yeah, I most likely will vlog later. And well, yeah, how have you guys been? Dude, this is the first time I actually had time to record in my room by myself. Okay, that's a lie, because I've been having time this whole break. But yeah, I lost like a piece for my ring light, so like my camera is like messed up, kind of like, I don't know if it's even like straight. It probably isn't, but who cares, because like so I'm sorry if you can see my acne scars. We all get acne. I've actually been kind of like embarrassed to like freaking film because I have so much acne scars now, and I'm just really trying to clear up my skin, and it's hard out here, boy. But yeah, anyways, my eyebrows are not done. There's like a lot of hairs. I need to get them done, so my eyebrows are gonna come out crappy, because when my eyebrows are not done, they come out crappy. Anyways, yeah, how's your guys' New Year's been going for you? New Year's, like, I don't know why they say New Year's. It's like a new year, not years. Like, well, I don't know. Anyways, how's your guys' New Year going for you? Mine's is like, it doesn't even feel like a new year. It just feels like the same. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia dip brow in the shade dark brown, and I'm just gonna do that. I'm looking over here in this in that direction, because my mirror is like right here. I have like a weird setup right now. Like, yeah. Finally finished my eyes after an hour, but I'm gonna do my foundation. So I'm gonna use this Professional primer, and I just realized throughout the video that I didn't even talk at all. I was so frustrated with doing my makeup because I haven't done it in so long, so like it came out like I had to make sure it came out kind of decent. I think it did, but we're not finished. We're gonna do the foundation, the highlight, everything. The Professional primer from Benefit is so good. Like, when they say that it minimizes your pores, it really does minimize them. Like, I'm not even joking with you. I haven't bought the full size yet, just because like I'm broke, but I always buy the little size, and the little sample size, the little travel sample size, it lasts me like a long time. It lasts me like a few months. Like, it lasts me like, I think I've had this since like the summer, or like, I don't know, it's been a while though, but it lasts you pretty long, and it's worth the money. Or maybe even if you go to Sephora, you can ask them for a sample, but this really does work, and I always put it like right here because I have hella visible pores. Anyways, yeah, gonna use my dirty thing. I know you guys are gonna call me out for it because yeah, that's why I have bad skin, but I'm just gonna use that. And I'm gonna use this Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation Full Coverage. I've been using this foundation for a while and I actually kind of like it, but like I feel like I get oily, but you just have to set it really good. But color match wise, I think it's really good. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna put music over there. Using my air spun because yeah, I find it to work. So this highlight right here is so freaking good. It's the NYX duochromatic illuminating powder, and it's so good, but it shattered. Like, it's really good though. Watch, just one, and look at that glow. I'm gonna have to blend it out. Put it a little up on the temples. And for the lips, I've been wearing this for a while. It's the Fenty lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. Dude, it is so beautiful on everyone's skin. I totally recommend you go out and buy it. It is $18, which is kind of expensive, but I mean, I think it's worth it because it's like so good. The applicator is so nice, and it's like kind of huge, but it's nice, and it just like works well on everyone's skin type. In my opinion, it's for everyone. So I'm gonna set my face with Urban Decay. Okay, so yeah, this is the makeup look. This is it. Yeah, I kind of like it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. My camera's dying. I gotta go. Bye.